Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I show you how to clean dish drying rack with vinegar and hot water. This is the most simple and easy method to clean the water stain off your dish drying rack. All you need to do is do it every 2 to 3 weeks and your water stain will not be there anymore. Here is a plastic white dish drying rack and the bottom rack is in black color. You can clearly see the white water stain on the black rack. Submerge your dish drying rack and the bottom rack fully into the vinegar and water. If you are unable to submerge the racks fully, soak them for about 20 to 25 minutes and flip the other side over. At the same time, do a vinegar water bath with your cutlery rack. With a toothbrush, go ahead and brush out the red water stains and you'll notice that they come out easily. Make sure to clean the nooks and corners really nicely. Voila! Just like that, they are looking sparkling, clean, and water stain free. How easy was that to do? I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to check out my vinegar hacks tutorial playlist. You'll be glad that you did. Small little tip, clean your sink as well at the same time. Quick and easy, sparkling clean. Have a good day. Bye.